Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a little video on how to fill my RZXYL shocks full of shock fluid. So first, this is from my other video. So first of all, you need to take off your shock. Take your shock apart, take off the spring after taking off the cap. Sometimes your head on your shock shaft going into your shock will become sort of loose. So sometimes you just gotta take two pliers and just squeeze them and twist them just to make sure they're tight enough. But don't twist them so much that it'll scrape up your shock shaft, because if you do that, then you'll start leaking oil because it'll go up. It'll make little cracks that over time you'll lose your shock fluid, which you do not want to do that. So now let's start by trying to, so we got, it looks like I need to take that to undo that. Oh yeah, by the way, these are piggyback shocks, so we're just going to be doing this real quick. You just need to take some pliers, twist that a few times. That's weird, there's no oil in these. Well, I guess I'll just have to fill it up. Let's see if that, nope, there's no oil in the piggyback either. So I'm going to have to take my shock fluid, start by filling it up to the brim. Once that's all filled up, then we can screw the cap back on, and then we'll fill up the little piggyback part. Just a moment, please. Okay, now we can start filling up that. Let me find something to prop up this shock. Oh, this might work. Nope. Here, yeah. Yep, that'll work nicely. Okay, let's put this on there. Okay, that'll work. Okay, now I can screw that back in there. Okay, and then after that, I'll just pump some of that out. Oh yeah, I forgot you need to bleed that. So use this little bleeder valve up here, unscrew it, then we'll bleed it until you just can see air bubbles coming out. Okay, so there's obviously not much in there. Okay, so we'll take this little eyedropper, suck some of it in there, some of the oil in there. If that's full of oil, we'll use that to fill up the shock. Just a few minutes, please. Okay, now we can just squeeze it in there. Okay. Okay, and then we'll put some more in there. This might take a few tries just to get it right. But I don't mind doing it until I get it just right. Ooh, this is going nicely. Okay, sweet. That worked real nicely. Okay. We'll get that on there real nice. Screw that on. Well, we'll just dry this off, then we'll get over to driving the vehicle. Okay, let's head on over to the vehicle now. Wait, what? Oh, it's all still gooey. We'll just put the springs and stuff back on the shocks, and then we'll head over to the vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to need to adjust this, and then we'll head on over. Well, since you guys already know how to do that, I'm just going to finish adjusting this, and then we can head over to the vehicle. So let's go test them. Please wait till the end for the whole video. Thank you and goodbye.